Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am testing out the Tati-Beauty, the Blendiful on my face today. I just filmed this look besides for my eyebrows on camera and only had to use one brush. I probably could have used the Blendiful, but I just used one brush for my bronzer because it was a powder. So I hope you guys want to stay along and actually see if I like this or if I think this thing is not worth it. Please also, if you are new here, if you're lurking, if you are just watching, make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button and also click the notification bell. Make sure that you're turning on all posts because I've been trying to film a lot more and it is becoming into the summer and springtime and there's a lot of new launches coming out. If you guys want to see how I did my whole face and see what the end result looks like, please make sure that you stay tuned and let's get into the video. Bye guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be using just a couple of new things that I have picked up lately. I've got the Natasha Denona, this is the Love palette. And I've had this for a while, but I've been sick, so I haven't been filming a lot. This is what the inside of the palette looks like, and she is pretty. And I have not even touched them, swatched any of the shades. I am really excited to play with some of that. I did also order the Tati-Beauty, the Blendiful, and I just opened up the package this morning. So I want to play and dive into these. Comes in two different ones inside of that box. I'm going to dig into the new stuff that I did get and we are going to fast forward through things that face stuff. I haven't really got anything too much crazy new. I just wanted to play with some of the fun stuff. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. So I definitely think that the Blendiful actually blended out this foundation really nice, and I feel like the coverage is really nice too. It's not like overbearing or anything like that, so that is really cool and it doesn't look weird or anything. I mean, this isn't bad. I like how this actually blends out really nice, and I'm curious of how it actually looks with other foundations. And it was very soft, very smooth. Like, it didn't feel like it was gonna scratch my face or anything. It just feels very soft, and it didn't hold a lot of product actually in, so you can see that there's not a lot left. And even if I sit here and I go down my neck on my ear, it just feels very soft. So that is cool. and I'm happy with the coverage as well. This foundation is not new for me, so I didn't want to sit here, and we're gonna go back into more of the video. Blended out my concealer really nicely too, and I just used the Fenty concealer in 185. It smoothed out really nice. I am liking this, and it did not like leave too much product in places that you didn't want, and you can see that it is just blended out really nice, and I am very happy with this. I want to set my eyes at least before the concealer starts to crease, because it always happens all the time. And don't worry about this because I have a dry patch on my eye, so everything is collecting to it, and that's where I'm getting more. So I'm going to set my face, at least underneath my eyes, and I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter setting powder in translucent, and I have used this before on my channel, and I've been really liking this. This has been almost a hit compared to the Laura Mercier and the Hourglass one, and I really like it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a clean part of the Blendiful and pick up a little bit of the powder, and I'm going to set underneath my eyes quick. Definitely very nice. Head and apply some bronzer, and I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty, and this is the Sunstalker in Private Island, and this is the color a Kat Von D brush, one like this. In with the Blendiful and just tap around the areas just to blend everything out. This is ending up really nice, and we're going to go ahead and we are going to go to some blush. Some of the Color Blush Stick in Avery. And I'm going to use the Blendiful to apply that. So I'm just going to put some of this on the Blendiful itself, that much. And let's go ahead and tap some of this on the cheeks to see how this goes. Now this applies blush really good. I wasn't sure if I was actually gonna like this blush, and it did not like how it applied when I used it last. It like, I don't know if it was maybe the foundation or not, but this definitely works really nice. Just putting a little bit of this on my nose. Very soft and very subtle, but that's really cool for blush. I'm not complaining at all. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Hourglass Ambient Stick Highlighter in Champagne Flash, and this is something that I've had in my collection for a while, and this stuff works really good as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this on the Blendiful and apply it to the face. That is good. It's blending it out super nice and is not leaving any patchy areas, and it is blending it out super nice. And apply it to this side as well. That's cool. I like this. I like this and how it's actually applying, because it's actually just applying it very soft, you know, hard or anything. It's not leaving like a strip or like any like glitter strips on my face. It's just blending it nicely into my skin. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some of this to the top of my brows and just blend it out. Very cool. I like this a lot. I am kind of sad that I did not actually work with this sooner than what I have done. Skin look very fresh and very clean, and I am liking this so far. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some brow gel in my brows, mixing the ColourPop Brow Boss, and it's supposed to be in the taupe collection, but this is light brown. And then I have also been using the Hourglass gel in light blonde. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these really quick. And then into the ColourPop one. Go ahead and set my face. The Scandinavia, the makeup setting spray. Is going to be the skin portion of this video, and it is a fresh skin and it is looking really nice. I am loving how the Blendiful blended out my foundation to blush highlight, and I just used a brush. Hold on. As I was saying before my heat turned on, I like how the Blendiful blended out my foundation, my blush, my highlight, and I am loving how my skin is looking. It looks very fresh, very spring, and I am definitely going to be using this again. It was super quick. Usually if you have to go with a brush, you gotta grab multiple brushes to be able to actually blend out the face. Grab that sponge, also blend everything out. The concealer underneath my eyes looks amazing. I am truly happy with everything. When I set my powders down for my face, you know, I only had to use one brush, which was the Kat Von D brush for my bronzer. I could probably even use the Tati-Beauty to actually put my bronzer on as well, but you know, I can only wanted to try it out for certain things. I'm gonna try that out next. It does have the little small guy too, which is very small compared to the big size. You know, I probably could use this to put on eyeshadow. Maybe I should try that for eyeshadow. It is a little bit stiffer than this one. This is very soft. I mean, even I could probably try this for my eyeshadow. So I hope you guys like how I tested out the Tati-Beauty, the Blendiful for my face. Please make sure, if you have not, give me that big thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also ring that bell. Make sure that you hit for all notifications. I would greatly appreciate it. And we're going to go and get into the next section of the video in the next time. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!